I am recording. Here we go. Today is 6.3 compound inequalities. And today is 228. We are going to do 4 examples together, one of which will win you a prize. All right, so we're going to start with this one. -8 is less than h minus 2 is less than 1. Yes? You forgot your question?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I was going to ask about if it was less than or greater than, and then you wrote it.
Got it. So this is -8 is less than h minus 2 is less than 1. What's different about this? There's two inequalities here. If it helps you, you can draw like a little line here to kind of separate them. We're trying to get h by itself, and we're keeping h in the middle. So what should I do to do that? Add 2, and I'm going to add 2 in every single section here. What craziness.
Whoa. This is already blowing my brain out.
-8 plus 2 is -6. Do I have to switch my sign?
No.
No, all right. Is less than, h is less than 3, and that is my answer right there. And then I'm going to put it on a number line. Number line, all right, now this doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be reasonable. Notice that -6 is on the left, 0 is in the middle, 3 is on the right. Also notice that 0 is closer to 3 than to -6. Why?
Because it is.
Yes, because this distance should be 6 and this distance should be 3. Do you have to make every single tally? No, but it has to be reasonable. Okay, open or closed?
Open.
Open. Put open on both. Remember, don't put it on 0. All right, now this is going to be hard to do, so everybody look up. We're going to have to read this backwards right now. Is h greater or less than -6? Which one is the alligator eating?
Greater than.
H is greater than -6. So that means that the arrow is going to come this way off of -6. And then on this side it says h is less than 3.
The other way.
So it goes this way. They kind of meet in the middle. So what would be an answer to this problem then?
What?
What's an answer to this problem? Give me a number. Go ahead. -2. You see how -2 is in here?
Yeah. What?
Okay, so -2 is in between -6 and 3.
Yeah.
So -2 is a possible answer. Okay? All right. Hey, give me another answer.
What?
Another answer for this problem. Okay, but we'll wait until you are.
Okay.
Okay, so we're looking for an answer that is on this number line right now, because the answer is on the number line. There's a whole region of answers. -2 was one of the answers.
Okay.
So look at the number line. Do you see how -2 is in there? In the answer range?
No.
Okay, so this says -6, that it is not equal to -6, but anything bigger than -6 is an answer. And this says that 3 is not an answer because it's an open circle, but anything less than 3 is an answer. So -2 falls in there, so -2 works. What else works?
-3.
-3, sure, what else works?
-4.
Yes,
-5.
give me a weird answer.
Weird answer?
Yeah,
So
5 is definitely not an answer.
Weird answer.
What's a weird answer? Give me a weird one. Austin, give me a weird one.
-4.2314.
Yes, -4.23. Remember, it's not just integers, it's also anything in between. All right. Please don't make me split you up, okay?
Okay.
Example 2. This one you're going to try with your partner. Here we go. Let's go with -7 is less than or equal to 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 5?
Yep.
Try with your partner, please. Talk to each other. Josh, Lexi, make sure you talk to each other. You can do it. Come on, say a few words. What do you think you should do first? Hey. Yeah, the negative divide by 3, because that's Yep, divide everything. By your first step is right.
Lift the,
Or he's freezing up, one or the other. I'm gonna give you one more minute to finish up this problem. All right, here we go. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the answer, and then you can talk to your partner and decide if you want to come up here, okay? All right, the answer is -3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, which means a closed circle on -3 and 1, and the arrows point in. All right? Raise your hand or talk to your partner if you want to come up. Did you guys get it right? Good. 1, 2, just 2. 2.
Okay, so what we're gonna start off with is we're gonna subtract 2 in the middle, and then on both sides. And then for -7, you'll get -9. And then it's 3x in the middle. And then it's 3 on the right side. And then you divide 3 on every single side. And then you'll get -3 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. And then there's a 0 next to the 1 too.
How'd you know it was filled in?
Because it's less than or equal to.
Nice. So or equal to is where
Or
it fills
to.
it in. Grab a prize. Okay. We're gonna try one more. I want you to write down 4n plus 8 is less than or equal to 16. Or negative 3n